Welcome to Miri. This is Tango Fox 3 Tango Benny. Had a day, 2 days off. Used the time to assemble some antennas. Here's a 6-element monobander on 10 meters with a 70-70 square boom. The boom is 11 meter long. I still need to do the truss and boom to mast here. This one is a 5-element on 15, and I've done the boom to mast here and the truss. So here we can see the boom to mast plate. Oh, with some junk on it here. 10mm thick aluminium and steel wires, and so and I just finished this antenna here, and that's a 4-element on 20 meter. It's only an 8 meter long boom, and but I decided not to go with the 5th element. That would make the boom about 12 meter long, and that's a lot of extra length just for 1 decibel more. So yeah, there's still a lot of things to be done. I have to get the antennas here on top of the towers. I have to do some welding and make some adapter for the tower, and so all fun and games here in ham radio, and getting ready for the upcoming contest season. So 73 from Miri in Iceland.